Hey everybody, Vicky here. I decided to post this video even though it was a valuable learning experience was what it was. I knew that Rustoleum spray paint it interacts with I guess any acrylic paint. I had proven that before. I had heard it, and then I also proved it with a previous painting. I knew it caused flocculation, or it would cause the gold spray paint to separate. But I decided that I wanted to do a painting in which I used the flocculation to my advantage, and my goal was to place the gold or spray the gold Rustoleum paint onto my base paint, which was the Valspar cabinet and furniture paint. I had used them together before, so I knew that there wouldn't be a major problem with that. Matter of fact, they didn't interact at all. But when I put the acrylic paint, my acrylic puddle paints on top of that, I really got into trouble with that. I used a pouring medium of the 2/3 PVA white glue to 1/3 water. And that was my pouring medium. But immediately when I tried to start, after I put my puddle paints down, I tried to start moving them around. It became obvious that something seriously wrong had occurred. My puddle paints, I guess the binders, something occurred that the binders in the paints would not adhere, and you'll be able to see later in the video how they actually sheeted off of the surface of the canvas, of the surface of the paint. And in addition to that, the paint itself became thicker and more viscous. So I knew that I had some kind of an interaction. I tried to salvage it, but I was not able to. And so I gave up and scraped all the paint off, wiped down the canvases, and decided to take the leftover paint that I had and put down the base of the Valspar furniture and cabinet paint, and then put my acrylic paint on top of that and see if it behaved the same. And then I would know that it's just not compatible. I guess the PVA is what the issue was, based on what I've read. So that turned out fine. The paint looked the way it's supposed to, and it moved the way it was supposed to. So I have used ChatGPT and Google extensively to try to figure out what went wrong. And while there's, without knowing exactly what the components are that within both of these products, it seems that the culprit is an interaction between the white glue and the gold Rustoleum. So I will let you watch the rest of the video, and obviously I'm never going to make this mistake again. Thank you so much. Bye.